Cead mhíle fáilte gach duine, you're all very welcome back to my channel today. My name is Jason. In today's video, we are going to do one of the best Irish songs of all time, Ó Róisín de bheith. So stick with me here and we will go through the tab and the strumming. There are a few chords we're going to need. I'll show you two different versions, one with the original with no capo and then one easy version on capo 5. So we're going to be doing three different parts: the tab, the original version with no capo, and then an easy version on capo 5. So let's get into it. So guys, this is definitely in the top 5 songs that you have to know if you want to play Celtic airs or Irish songs. You have songs like Grace, Galway Girl, you have Streets of New York, you have Joe McDonald, and Ó Róisín de bheith. Now, not a lot of people know the words. I will definitely put all the words down in the description below. If you don't know how to speak Irish, give it your best shot. A BH sometimes sounds like a W or a V. So, maybe I'll put up a cover for people that don't really know Irish, that you'll be able to copy it and listen to it then as well. But that'll be in a couple of weeks when I have a bit more free time. The words, though, for people who know the song and want to sing it, will be down in the description below. But for now, let's learn the song. So guys, we are going to start with the tab. The first part of the tab starts off with G. Now the main notes are going to be on the B string 1, 3, G 0, 2, on the D string 0, 3, and on the A string 3. Just those handful notes, that's all we're going to be using. So start off with G 0 and then 0, 0. Then 3 on the D string, open G. And then 2, 0 on G and 3, 0 on the D. And this is the verse part. This is the start of the song. It goes verse, chorus. If you look at the middle of the second tab, you'll see a black line separating them. The first half of the tab is the verse, second half is the chorus. Okay, so after the 0 comes another 0 on that D string. Then we have 3, 3, 3. 0 on G. 3 on the D, 3 on the A. Then it's 0, 3 on the D. Then 0, 0, 0 on the G. And then 3 on the D, 0, 2, 0 on G. And then 1 on the B string. Then 1, 3 on the B string. 2 on the G string. 1 on the B string. 2 on the G string. And open G, G. And that is the verse section of the tab. So if you are playing it should sound like this. Okay guys, next comes the chorus part. The only difference between the chorus and the verse is a little part in the middle. There's just a few less notes. It goes Ó Róisín de bheith instead of seilibh de bheith. So there's more words in the verses and less in the chorus. So there's just 1 or 2 less notes. I'm going to show you it anyway, but it is mostly the same. If you just want to play that first section over and over on repeat, it works for it. It's just if you want the distinction between the verse and the chorus, then learn this chorus section too. So we start off on G again, 0, 0, 0. Just 0, 0. And then 3 on the D string. And then 0, 2, 0 on the G. And 3, 0 on D. Then 3, 3, 3. 0 on G. 3 on D, 3 on A, and 0, 3 on D. So that one's the same as the verse. Now we're back into the next line. So the next line, instead of 3 Gs, there's just 2. So it's 0, 0 on the G, 3 on the D, 0, 2, 0 on the G string. Then 2 on the G, 1 on the B. And then it goes straight into the 3 on the B string, 2 on the G, 1 B, 2 G, and open G, G. So the verse and the chorus are very, very similar. It just has fewer notes in the chorus than it does in the verses. But that is the tab that plays along with the whole song. It just goes verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. There's 3 verses and 3 choruses played. Unless you start with the chorus, in which case there'll be 4 choruses, obviously. Right, let's get into the strumming of the song now. Okay guys, mainly the strum pattern you're going to need for this is down, 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 up, down, up. It's a country style strum pattern. Every chord does it 2 times. You have the original chords here are G minor, F, G minor and A minor. If you don't know G minor, it's basically an F on the 3rd box and then just take off your middle finger. So to make those minors, it's basically F. If you want to make F minor, just remove middle finger. Just think middle finger for minors when you're in an F shape. So F, F sharp, G, so it's in the 3rd box, and just remove that middle finger. So it's a bar chord on box 3, A and D in box 5. That's your G minor. Then F is bar chord box 1, it is G in box 2, and it's A and D in box 3. Okay, and that strum pattern's down, 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 up, so it's twice for G minor, twice for F. Then on the second line, you have a full G minor again, down, 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 up, down, up. Then a down, up, and then a down, down. A minor and G minor. And just a little bit slower on the last 2. You can go fast, but that's the Anish here up gun toe rig. Right? So that'll be the verse and the chorus, but it's just better suited for the chorus. So the and then you have the down up. Right? So you have the down down, or you can go straight back into the full strum pattern, down 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 up down up. I choose to just mainly do that down down and then into the verses after that, but I have written up here a full strumming pattern that you can do either. Whichever suits you best, that's what you can play. So they are the original chords that you play for the song. If you like the tone of that but the chords are a little difficult, then stick your capo on number 5 and follow the second group of chords. So it would be a D minor, which is the 1st box E string, 2nd box G string and 3rd box B string, mainly strumming the bottom 4 strings. Then your F changes to a C. Then back to D minor. C was the 1st box B string, 2nd box D, 3rd box A, by the way. Then you're back into that D minor. So 1st box E, 2nd box G, 3rd box B. And then down, up, down, down. E minor, 2nd box 5 and 4, A and D. And back to that D minor for either a full strumming pattern or just a down, pause, down. Okay, and that is on capo 5. So if you play that on capo 5, it will sound like the original, just higher. So you'll be able to sing in the same tone, but the notes will definitely sound higher. So instead of being low and bassy, they will be very, very high. Let's see, if that's box 5, it'll be here. That's the way D minor would sound. Same as that. So it's up to you which ones you want to play. That's the whole tab done and both of the strumming patterns done as well. Please do this song justice, guys. Again, the lyrics are down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. Lets me know that you like this content and it will encourage me to do more content like this. If you don't like it, then look through a lot of my videos, whatever content I put out, because I do sometimes put out random stuff. If you like it, hit that like button. It shows me that you want more stuff like that, and then I can create more videos based around that content. But that is it for today. Please do that song justice, practice it as much as you can. If you want the words, I'll do a cover in a couple of weeks, so you'll be able to hear how the words sound with the song. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.